everyone, bringing back today, and I just want to update you on the mac160s chainsaw. Right here, last time I said there was no pulley. Now there is. Alright, I'm going to set y'all up right here. Hold on a minute. Let me set you up. I don't know where. I'll set you all guys right up here. This right here will be good. Hello. You get it? Alright. Here's the mac160s chainsaw. Right now we're just gonna give it a little test and see if it'll run. Alright. Whew, already tired. Alright. Well, you see it cranks, but kind of cranks. Alright, a mac160s chainsaw right here. Right now we're just going to pull it. Runs. Alright, well, you know it runs. I'll see you guys in the next one, but next video we'll have something bigger, more planned. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, I'm not. See you guys in the next one.